Hey Oprah Beauties, it's Steph here, and today we are playing around with another Oprah launch that is just so special, so beautiful, and it'll have us good to go whenever we're ready to get glam. This is the all-new Mini Mix palette, Good to Go, and it is just full of beautiful warm tones, some amazing shimmers, and I'm so excited to get this all over my face, so let's go ahead and play around so we'll be good to go for the day. So let's go ahead and start off with the face. I am just so drawn to these two down here. We have Current Bronzer and Intentions Blush. And what I love about these is they're so perfect for literally everyone. These are mattes. So if you guys are fans of mattes, definitely pick these guys up because these shades are absolutely stunning. Let's go ahead and pop on some of this Current Bronzer. Just gonna be popping that right onto my cheekbones towards the outside of my face. I'm not bringing it too far in, just so I can get that nice little chiseled look and that nice warm sun-kissed touch. And I'm just popping that right onto my forehead and the outside parts of my face, as well as my jawline. One thing that I absolutely adore about Oprah's products, especially their powders, is that they're so buildable. They are super pigmented, but you can just go a little bit at a time and it just builds that perfect color for yourself as an individual. And yeah, you can kind of just build it and make it your own. Now that we've got this nice warm bronziness all over the face, let's hop into Intentions Blush. Like I was saying earlier, it's perfect to just apply the tiniest bit if you do have a lighter complexion, or if you're deeper, you can go in because we have that pigment with Oprah's products. It is just a win-win for everyone and absolutely stunning. Next up, you know what time it is. We're gonna go into some highlight. We are so lucky because we've got all of the lights in here, which is such a stunning highlighter. It is a combination of all of Oprah's best-selling highlights, and you know what we gotta do? We gotta just swirl it up, combine them all, and pop them right on to get that Oprah glow going. All of the Lights has been one of my favorites for the longest time, and I just love how it's a perfect combination of literally the best highlights that Oprah has to offer, and the best part is that you can go in individually and choose if you guys don't want to mix it all together, so it's literally like the best of so many worlds because you have so many options, and I mean, it speaks for itself. So of course we see what the Good to Go palette has to offer in terms of just perfecting your base, but now let's go ahead and go into the eyes, which I'm so excited for. I'm thinking we're gonna dive into some of these deep warm tones and add a little bit of shimmer, because of course we gotta. So let's go ahead and get started on that. So what I think we're gonna do is we're gonna hop right into that top corner. It is a beautiful warm tone and the shade's name is Ready, and I am ready to get this all over my eyes. I'm telling you guys, Oprah's shadows are so beautifully pigmented, and a little goes a long way, and also you can just build them up. They're so perfectly blendable, buildable, and pigmented, and just everything. So I'm ready to put this ready on my eyes. Just gonna do a little bit of a swirl on my brush and add that to my outer and inner corners. I think we're gonna go in with a bit of a halo eye situation because we have these beautiful shimmers. I do not want them to go to waste. I want them to be the star of the show. So we're gonna do just that, just blending this out slowly into my inner and outer corners. And you don't have to worry about this being too messy or too perfect because it kind of just all blends together once you add that perfect shimmer right in the center. I can't get over how absolutely stunning Ready is on these eyes. Oh my goodness. We are gonna be going into the shade Goals now, which is definitely Goals because look at this swatch, look at this perfection, this shimmer, that glow. Oh my gosh, Oprah just tops themselves every single time. I don't even know how they do it, but let's go ahead and pop this on just with our fingers. We are just gonna pack this right into the center, and look at that perfect combination. It is just warm eye glow goals, and I am in love with this. Oh my gosh. So what I'm gonna do now is go in with a tiny bit of Ambition, which is a stunning gold, with a flat top shadow brush, just to add the tiniest bit more glow right in the center, because this shadow is just way too stunning to pass on. Going in with the tiniest amount of some All of the Lights highlight right into the inner corner and also the brow bone, just to make it extra glowy because we're just sending it today. We're going all the way. I'm going back into the shade Ready, and I'm going in with a super tiny little blending brush because we're gonna do the same exact thing that we did on the top, right on the bottom, and blending it all out to balance everything. Now that we've got this amazing halo eye done, I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the other eye off camera, add some falsies, and then we will be good to go and finished up with this look. Alrighty, Oprah Beauties, well this is the eye look already finished. We are almost good to go. I'm just gonna pop on some of my favorite spicy lipstick from Oprah. This is the perfect universal shade for literally everyone. My favorite nude ever, every single day. I will be using spicy. And then we're gonna finish off with the Rose Makeup Fixer. And then we're good to go. I hope you guys love this look that I created, and I just know you guys will adore the new Mini Mix Good To Go palette. If you are a fan of shimmers, warm tones, or just anything Oprah in general, you will love it, so definitely go pick it up. It's available right now on oprahcosmetics.com, and you guys can always use code STEPH to save a little extra money. I love you guys so much. Thanks again for tuning in, and I hope you have an amazing rest of your day or night, whatever it is, wherever you are, and I'll see you guys in the next one.